Hi, I'm Peter Kalmstrom of kalmstrom.com Business Solutions. In this demonstration, I want to talk about how to assign users in Kanban Task Manager for SharePoint. You've already seen me quickly do that here, opening the form and just selecting the people responsible. And you can of course also do it in the grid view here, selecting the people that are responsible for a task like that. The problem is when you want to assign somebody new to a task that's not actually in this site yet, then you have to add it. So let's select the person there first. Yes, then the picture shows up if that person has a picture. If you want to assign somebody new, then you simply open this task in SharePoint. So that is the SharePoint task, the old classic style, and then you assign somebody new. So for example, I have not added Kate, my mother, on this site yet, but I can still assign a task to her, and then she will be listed in this site as a SharePoint member of this site. So now I save that there, and there you see now I get her initials because her picture has not synchronized yet. She actually has a picture, but I just created the account, so that has not showed up yet. So in a few minutes I should be getting that picture also. But that's how you add a new user to Kanban Task Manager. You simply open in SharePoint and assign a task to somebody, and then they will show up the next time. So as you see now, she is indeed in the list here with her initials. So that's how it works with new users. Also, each user has a color, and I want to show you how to change those colors. They're automatically assigned, as you see here, but you can change them, of course. So if I go into the assigned list here and find Kate here, and I want her to have a yellow color here, do that one. Now we save that, and it refreshes the page. And there we see that now these tasks that are assigned to Kate are indeed that yellow color. So that's how you work with assigned people. If you want to simply allow one user to have responsibility for each task, which might be a good idea, you go into the task list and find the list settings, find the assign to field here, and there you see allow multiple selections. That's by default that is yes, but you can select no, yes, it removes all of them. And you can also change this to maybe responsible or something. That will also be carried over into the Kanban Task Manager user interface. So let's click OK there and go back a few steps to our page there, tasks, that's where it is. And now you see there's only one user on that because the other was removed, as the warning said. And now when I go in and assign a task, I can only select one of them like that and save. And also in the form here it now says responsible, as we saw. Thank you for watching this demonstration.